In recent days, from job seekers to business owners, everyone is moving towards AI to simplify their work and skyrocket productivity. If you're still not using AI, your job might be at risk.
If you think she is real, I'm absolutely sorry, guys. She is completely AI generated. In this video, I'll show you how to make faceless AI avatar videos exactly similar like her, using only one secret AI website. No prior experience is required. Before revealing the website's name, here are some sample clips created by me using that website.
Hi, I'm Becky from AI Tech Pro. I'm here to guide you on how to use AI tools effectively. We regularly share posts about different AI tools and tips on how to make the most of them. Your support means a lot, so don't forget to subscribe.
こんにちは、AI テックプロのパトリックです。AI ツールの操作をお伝えします。様々な AI ツールの活用法について投稿するので、ぜひご支援を。チャンネル登録をお願いします。
Now, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from creating a faceless video to uploading it on freelancing websites to earn your first dollar, all for free. So, let's break down the secret AI website and start making a video. Therefore, please make sure to watch until the end. The website we will explore in this video is Wondershare Virbo. Unlike other AI tools, you don't need to depend on separate AI tools for text-to-speech, voice translation, AI avatars, or voice cloning. Everything is seamlessly integrated into this one single AI platform. Here are 7 simple steps to create your faceless AI avatar video, and most importantly, the 7th step is crucial, so don't miss out. Now, let's begin with step 1. Create an account in Wondershare Virbo. Go to the website using the link in my description and choose either Start Online for free or free download. If you're a mobile user, download the app from the Play Store. I'll proceed with the Start Online for free. Sign up with your email or Google account. Click More to view a variety of AI features. So, I try to cover everything, from talking avatar to voice cloning, as much as I can in this tutorial. Step 2. Choosing an AI avatar for the video. Move the cursor towards Create Video. Select the size of the video. Choose 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram. I'll go with the 16:9 ratio. Delete the existing avatar, disable the captions, and click Avatars. Here, you can view multiple AI avatars. Click the right arrow to explore more options. Even though there are many choices, I'll go with my favorite avatar, Audrey, under the fixed background section. Step 3. Generate a script for the video. To create a video, we definitely need a script. For this, use ChatGPT to generate a script on your preferred topic. For example, I'm familiar with AI. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a 2-minute script about AI for my faceless YouTube video. Once you finish typing, click the send icon. ChatGPT will automatically provide a complete script for your video. After receiving the script, copy and paste it into Notepad or WordPad. Step 4. Convert the script to speech. Here, you can either use your own audio or a text script. I already have a script created using ChatGPT, so I'll proceed with the text script option. Simply copy and paste the script into the designated area. Then, click here. You'll find multiple languages available, ranging from Arabic to Zulu. Additionally, there's a voice cloning feature you can explore if you'd like to use your own voice. For this tutorial, I'll select my favorite voice, Becky. Type Becky in the search bar to find it. Ensure that the selected voice matches the language of your script. Click on the voice, then choose Select. Finally, click Play Script to listen to the generated speech.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just science fiction. It's a reality shaping our everyday lives in ways we never imagined.
Step 5. Set a suitable background video. Click on Background. You can either choose a default backgrounds or upload your own background video. Since I have my own, I'll go with the upload option and then click Confirm. You can view your uploaded video in the import section. However, here's the twist. You won't be able to see your background even though it's in use, because the avatar's background is fixed and cannot be moved. To solve this, click on View Mode and select Circle. This will allow the background to be visible. One more thing, sometimes your avatar won't be visible because it might be in the background layer. To fix this, click Layer and select Backward. Once everything is set, turn on the captions and click the play button to preview the video. Keep in mind that you won't see the avatar's lip syncing until export.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just science fiction. It's a reality shaping our everyday lives in ways we never imagined. From the moment you wake up, AI is...
If you need to add another scene, click the plus icon to add. Once everything looks good, click Export.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just science fiction. It's a reality shaping our everyday lives in ways we never imagined. From the moment you wake up, AI is working behind the scenes. Your smart assistant gives you the weather update, your streaming app recommends the perfect playlist, and even your morning coffee machine learns your preferences.
Step 6. Translate the video into other languages. Now, switch to the homepage. Click More, then select Voice Translation. Upload your video. Select the original video language and the target language. Make sure to check the auto lip sync option. If you need subtitles, turn them on, and then click Translate this video. Once the video is ready, click to view it.
La inteligencia artificial o IA ya no pertenece únicamente al ámbito de la ciencia ficción. Se ha convertido en una realidad que forma parte de nuestro día a día de modos impensados. Desde que abres los ojos por la mañana, la IA
If you're satisfied with the result, click Download. Step 7. Possible ways to earn income. To earn income, you don't need any prior experience. AI can handle everything for you. Let's explore the popular freelancing website Fiverr. You don't need any experience to start earning here. Scroll down and click on AI services. Hover over the cursor to explore the various AI-related services offered. For example, click the AI avatar video section. Let's check how much freelancers charging for their services. For example, I'm checking this profile. Scroll down, you'll notice that he charges 30 euros for a simple 1-minute AI avatar video and 50 euros for 2 to 3 minute and 114 euros for 3 to 4 minute video. This highlights the huge earning potential in the AI niche in Fiverr. So, earning income is not a hard task, but you need proper guidance and patience. That's why me and AI are here to help.